Hi, it's John.
And Shelley.
And welcome to the BTO Open. This is what we did on our class on Friday. We did a basic sugar push. We started with a nice whip, just a basic whip. And then we led a basic sugar tuck. So we went sugar tuck. And then we finished with a sugar push at the end. And so here's what we did, was we combined the whip and the tuck. So on the whip, we went 1, 2, 3, and 4. Brought the hand up on 4. Count 5 meters, I'm taking a side step to go 5. That's the tuck. Count 6, I'm stepping, letting the follow go for 6. We finished 7 and 8 follows. You added a ronde on 7 and 8, and then we pulled the leg back and did a sugar push to the wall. The other options we did was a whip, and then we did the tuck again on the 5. On the 6 meters, this time I'm taking a side step, and then I'm walking back for my 7, 7, and then I let the follow 4 and 8, and then we did a sugar push from there. So that was our class on Friday.
The social focused event from A to Z, Ottawa, Canada.